Welcome to Top Wash Laundry. We are engineered for unmatched velocity, offering Houston's bold performance laundromat experience. We don't just clean clothes, we return time, operating on the time value flywheel. Our high-speed equipment, frictionless operations, and fully staffed facilities deliver a 98% efficiency gain. Our performance dashboard highlights 45 minutes in and out, 88 brand new machines, a 4.9-star Google rating, and 100% payment flexibility. The 45-minute velocity model is achieved through high G-force extraction Electrolux machines, significantly slashing dry times compared to older equipment. Our engine is commercial-grade capacity, meaning you never wait for a machine. We use a brand new, expertly maintained Electrolux fleet that handles even bulky items. The chassis is a stress-free environment, featuring a spacious layout, cool AC, free high-speed Wi-Fi, drink and snack vending, and a dedicated kid zone. Our facilities are exceptionally clean and fully staffed. We offer a full service spectrum. Self-service gives maximum speed. Wash, dry, fold is total outsourcing of the chore. Commercial laundry provides expert, scalable management. For laundry done for you, we offer a zero-friction velocity track. Step 1, drop off your dirty laundry. Step 2, we wash and fold. Step 3, pick up your fresh laundry when we text you. Satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. Our track record shows verified results, reflecting our commitment to being family-owned and community-driven, earning us 4.9 stars. Experience Northwest Houston's fastest laundromat. Join our network and get your first high-speed cycle on us. Sign up today.